There's a document in BI Launchpad that needs to be masked to scramble sensitive data to allow SAP support to investigate an issue, such as a calculation engine or report rendering problem. This sample document contains a couple of dimension objects and a measure. The year and state columns here contain the sensitive data that should be masked. In the BI Platform Support tool, select the Landscape tools on the left, then the option Webi Data Masker in the middle menu. Press the Start Masker button and enter the BI environment and credential information. On the Masker interface, you will see several options that can be changed. The default settings are good for most scenarios. However, they can be updated as needed to scramble numeric data, for example, which is not by default. Locate the document in the folder structure, then click the right arrow to add it to the Choose Documents to Mask window, and then select the destination directory where the masked document and related Excel data source will be saved. In this example, the same folder as the source document is used. Click the Run Masker button to start the process. This can take a few moments to complete depending on the document size and complexity. When completed, there's an option to view and save a log file in case there's any issues with the tool for SAP to investigate. In BI Launchpad, you will now see two new files created. One is the masked document, and the other is the Excel file that this new masked document is based on. If you open the Excel file, you'll see that the data contained within it is scrambled. In the new Web Intelligence document, you can now see the masked data. This can also be refreshed against that Excel data source. Comparing this document to the original, you can now see the report layout is similar, just the data has changed and scrambled. For additional help and information, click the Help link within the Data Masker interface. This will take you to the Platform Support Tool Wiki and includes information on setting options, important limitations to be aware of, and tips on troubleshooting common problems.